Hadian hendro benai ke jengklat no jengwe Heprit nak senong lumar bo Nongrah. Katanat Pulit ke East Khasi Hills seleng maka kenhuan Special Investigation Team ke belah clear SPCT kelio ban kem no ubrio ubadan keti ban Pyniap yu Heprit belah tip kerteng kumu Kershan bor karmudai nyo Snem kerta bat kene ke jengjak la jah benai risau jong ke Snem belalet. Uni ubrio belah syak keno dan keti ban Pyniap yu Heprit udai belah tip kerteng kumu Kennedy Khongsit lai puar Snem kerta. Basyong masa alum marbok Nongrah baru badai ru biasa Marjan bulu Heprit belah klat no. Superintendent ki Pulit ubah Vivek sia mulai tu bahaka praterik gurisau arajar arpusana kepor prabejajan miet kathanat renja kelai opdiang ya ke ejahar bawe kunarit beri kun swet mulaja nalayeng nalu marbok Nongrah nadu kumbah kepor sau bejajan miet. Walaki Pulit rengkat ke darbar senong Nongrah kila penlong ya ke jingwat habrok kitan ki bahap apok kathanat renja andre amsyamlala banlap ya unu Heprit. Hak step ke bobot ke Pulit kelio jeng tip badan kamet jeng kena melalap harut ke surok mau dengan mau pat. Hading ke jenglet jeng Pulit bagi kenhuan forensik bagi jeng pensisa deki kur. Latip bagi kamet ke sisa jeng kena ulajak Nongrah. Kumtala penkit no kamet chen grams bandai ke post mortem hak beliau ya ke kaipot. Kebala pensisa bunu kena ulasyak Pyniap. Nama jeng jeng ki kam sniau la tahu ya ke kenhuan Special Investigation Team kebala clear SPCT bantuan yunong lek kam sniau. Walaki Pulit kila tokit iki babun ki brio nrei kemciam ladan gejing syai ke babiang namar gejing bam kisaki ke babiang bat gejing bam smoto balai nu kena ulasyak Pyniap. Nrei hadian hendro benai gejing lom ya kisaki kani ke kenhuan Special Investigation Team kalala ban pensisa bo Kennedy Khongsit udan keti kani ke kam. Hagijing toket Kennedy ulapla bulale kena kamrunar hapdeng kepor arsteng batlai beje janmiet haki yang jung uhi itu bahagian kepor Kennedy udang mot bansaj ya katangki ba ulapa anu kena banwan ra yu brut bat keborti ndrei namar bunu kena usung tenat ban pet television hagan yang syam lalet ya rabiu kani kalapen bitar Kennedy hado bula set ya kesentor bat kemot jung Heprit hado pada klatno hadian bula Pyniap ula tap kamet ha kasentax pada hadian kani ula syem ya kamet bat tap ka borni bat penan kam ya ka skuti Yamaha kabadan nu number ML not saubi kendai reu rderer kabare jong bahayang jung penkit ya kamet na lumarbo akpor sanduna janmiet bandit bret pat chamopat ki Pulit kelio ban kemno yo Kennedy Khongsit bagi jing toket kerangya ceprang ban penbiang ya bro kisaki ban yo ban pai usya yang syari. Superintendent ki Pulit ula penpau bagladan gejing ya kabakrau ban lap yo dan keti nrei leng bagi jing tristom kilala ban lap ya uniu nong ya kam sniu.
A written complaint was received at Rinja PS that the complainant's 7-year-old nephew, who was an orphan, was found missing at around 4 p.m. from their house at Marbo, Nongrah. Accordingly, officers and personnel of Rinja PS rushed to the house of the complainant and conducted a massive search operation. This was done along with the Darbar Nongrah, and this was done in around the areas of Rinja PS jurisdiction to trace the missing child. However, as you know, on that evening, the child was not found. On the next morning, telephonic information was received at Rinja PS that the dead body of a child was seen at Matangan, Mokpat. Police officers and personnel of Norman Song OP proceeded to the PO, including senior police officers and the CSU unit of the Forensic Science Laboratory. The body was found lying on the roadside, and at about 10 to 11, all officers CSU had arrived at the PO, including the press, public. The relatives of the missing child identified the dead body to be that of the missing child from Nongrah, and thereafter a case was registered at Rinja PS, case number 295-10-2025 under section 137 clause 2, 103 clause 1 of the BNS. The case was investigated immediately, and post-mortem of the child was done in Negrams, and the cause of death was ascertained the following day. It was asphyxia due to smothering. Considering the seriousness of the case and the gravity of it, a special investigation team was formed on 9th October 2025, just the following day, which was headed by the SP City East Khasi Hills. In this investigation, many people were examined to throw light on the case, but there was nothing which came forth. The investigation, however, identified a few persons of interest, but the only problem, there was no breakthrough for want of evidence. Many experts were sent to CFSL Guwahati and FSL Shillong to gather scientific evidence. There was also another problem. The motive to kill the child could not be established at that juncture. This made the investigation of the case even difficult to crack. However, after a period of 6 months, the SIT, by piecing all available evidence together, including that from CFSL, from the forensics, we were able to zero down on the killer, namely Kenti Khongsit, 32 years, a neighbor of the deceased. The murder of the child, where the child had gone to watch TV, the murder of the child happened at about 2:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. and it happened in the house of the accused, which is adjacent to the house of the child, where the child had gone to watch TV. That was after lunch. The body was taken in a white Yamaha RZ Scooty ML049622, belonging to the accused's cousin. And this cousin had actually gone with the killer's mother to the adjacent jungle at Maudingyang to gather mushrooms and returned back only at about 3:30 p.m. In our preliminary interrogation, the accused has revealed that he had told the child to get a brush and a bucket while he was washing the syntax tank. But the deceased, or the child, kept watching TV. Out of anger, due to the obstination of the child, when the boy came out of the house, he forcefully smothered him and put him in the syntax tank in a fit of rage. Later, he hid the body in the backyard. The killer then quietly kept the body in a plastic sack in the scooty of his cousin and left Lumarbo at about 4:40 p.m. and returned back in less than an hour after dumping the body on the roadside. We have arrested him today in the afternoon. He has admitted to the crime. He will be produced before court and police remand will be taken to complete the investigation process. Thank you. The motive is the first thing. Secondly, you could suspect the family, you could suspect neighbors. You don't have reason to for anybody, because he's an orphan. Why would you kill a child who's 7 years? You wouldn't. You don't have. Nobody has asked for ransom. There's no sexual assault on that child. The child is living with somebody else. He's not living as domestic help also, where people will, let's say, they child labor, and he, because of the hardship, he must have died and all that. He didn't perform what they're doing. So, as he's not a domestic help also. So all these factors didn't actually sit in well where we could get the motive. So it became very difficult. Uklam dan hi tu uklam ulamut hi long hadin ba kilawan ki pulit din stio artio laitio si panai hadin kata long ulai kan ba umut ba kan peti pulit kan klan no kan awam lap khas tu ka klemat hi tu yom yo isu kan Tiada si benar menjaya di Arlan menjaya itu pula semula dulu.
Thì kem này yêu này, thì kem bị này yung sa chúng nó.
Kawan ini saja.